Have you ever wondered how to install Windows 11 on your PC? Today, we'll dive into the step-by-step process of transforming your computer with this new operating system. Understanding the installation process is crucial because it ensures a smooth transition, reduces potential errors, and enhances your overall user experience. We'll start with pre-installation requirements, then move on to downloading the installation media, and finally, the actual installation of Windows 11. By following these steps, you will have a brand new Windows 11 operating system on your PC. Before we dive into the installation process, let's make sure your PC meets the system requirements for Windows 11. This is crucial to ensure a smooth installation and optimal performance of the new operating system. Firstly, you'll need to have a compatible processor. Most recent processors should work fine, but you can check your processor's compatibility on the official Windows website. Next up, memory. For a 64-bit system, you'll need at least 4 GB of RAM. If you're running a 32-bit system, you'll need a minimum of 2 GB. Finally, storage. You'll need 64 GB or larger storage space to accommodate Windows 11 and all its features. To check these specifications on your current system, simply navigate to About Your PC in the System settings. It will display your current specs, allowing you to compare them with the requirements. Now that we've confirmed your PC meets the requirements, we're ready to start the installation process. The first step in the installation process is to download the Windows 11 installation media. Let's go through it together. Start by heading over to the official Microsoft website. Here you'll find a dedicated page for Windows 11 downloads. Click on Download Now and the process will begin. This may take a few moments depending on your internet connection, so don't worry if it doesn't happen instantly. Now, it's crucial to select the correct version of Windows 11 to match your system's specifications. This ensures compatibility and a smooth installation process. You can check your system's specifications by navigating to System Information on your current operating system. Once you've confirmed your system's specifications, choose the corresponding version of Windows 11. Remember, this step is vital. Downloading the wrong version could lead to potential installation issues down the line. With the installation media downloaded, we're ready to move on to the next step. Now we're ready to install Windows 11 on your PC. The first step is to run the installation media that we've downloaded in the previous scene. This could be a USB drive, DVD, or an ISO file. Once you've done this, you'll be presented with a screen that reads Windows Setup. Here, you'll want to click on the Next button. The next screen will have an Install Now button, which you'll need to click on. This will initiate the Windows 11 installation process. You might be asked for a product key at this stage. If you have one, enter it. If not, don't worry. You can still proceed by clicking on the I don't have a product key option. You'll then be taken to the License Terms screen. Take a moment to read through the terms, and once you're comfortable, click on the Accept button, and then Next. It's important to note that by clicking on Accept, you're agreeing to the terms and conditions set out by Microsoft. Next, you'll be asked to choose the type of installation you want. Select the Custom Install Windows Only option. This is the best option if you're installing Windows for the first time, or if you're looking to clean install Windows 11. After choosing the custom installation, you'll be asked to select where you want Windows 11 to be installed. If you have multiple drives or partitions, select the one where you want the operating system to be installed. If you're not sure, it's usually safe to go with the largest one. Once you've selected the drive, the installation process will begin. This can take some time, so sit back and let your PC do its thing. You'll see a progress bar on the screen which will give you an idea of how the installation is progressing. And there you have it. Once the installation is complete, your PC will restart and you'll be greeted with the fresh new look of Windows 11. Congratulations, you've successfully installed Windows 11 on your PC. Installing a new operating system can seem daunting, but as you can see, it's a straightforward process. We started with the pre-installation requirements, moved on to downloading the installation media, and concluded with the actual installation of Windows 11. If you have any questions or run into any snags along the way, don't hesitate to drop a comment. We're here to help you navigate through this tech journey. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your new Windows 11 experience.